In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set up a PayPal business account for your Shopify store in a straightforward and efficient manner. We'll kick things off by accessing the Shopify payment settings. To do this, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, locate the Settings option, which is typically positioned at the bottom left corner of your screen. Give it a click, and then select the option that reads Payments. Having reached the Payments section, you will have to activate PayPal. To do this, find the section specifically labeled PayPal. In this section, proceed to click on the Activate button. However, if PayPal appears on the list but the status reads Setup Incomplete, you should consider clicking the Complete Setup link instead. Following this action, you will find yourself redirected to a PayPal login page. Here we move to the third part of our process, that is, connecting your PayPal account. First things first, log into your PayPal account. But if you currently don't have one, you will need to follow the site-provided steps to create a new PayPal business account. This process might involve entering your business details and agreeing to their terms and conditions. Once you are logged into your PayPal account, you will be required to click a button labeled I give permission, or something along those lines. This action is essentially authorizing Shopify to connect and interact with your PayPal account. After granting permission, you will return to the Shopify dashboard by clicking an option like Go back to Shopify. This marks the commencement of the fourth part of our process, finalizing the setup in Shopify. Back in your Shopify admin, you will locate a section listed as Payment Authorization. In this section, you can decide how you would like to process payments. The choices available include Automatically Capture Payments, which is also known as Immediate Sale, or Manually Capture Payment, which is the Authorize Only option. After making your choice, be sure to save your choice and the integration by clicking on Save. The fifth and final part of our process is verification of the integration. This involves doing a test transaction to ensure everything is working as it should. It's always better to test and confirm instead of assuming, because it helps you to catch any potential errors or hiccups that could be lurking in the shadows. This way, you can confidently start selling knowing that your payment setup is in perfect working condition. Your journey to setting up PayPal for your Shopify store is now complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.